And here from a different angle what they built around our boat. As you can see, it's far up to the top. Our height over the ground is around 8.5 meter. It will be up to the, let me see, up to this dome where the night vision camera is installed. So the complete housing will be around, I think, 7.5 meters height and the length of around 17 meters. So pretty big thing that they built here around our boat in the MCI Marina shipyard in Split, Croatia. So it's still day 4 and fortunately the guys are really working hard, fast, so they already started with shrink wrapping. So they put this plastic material, which you can see here. It's, I think, or I guess, a certain kind of PVC. They put around the boat, and this foil under heat will shrink. So it's the so-called shrink wrap process. And what you hear, the sound, is the gas burners when they are igniting. Use these gas burners to make the foil shrink, but it's then attached close to the scaffolding. So when you ever wondered how shrink wrapping is working, here you can see for our 2021 paint job we have a cover around the complete boat, and they just today installed the roof, and this will be done in a shrink wrap process. That means with gas burners they are shrinking the foil, and that's a crazy sound you hear in the background. You can see how they do it. When attaching heat to the foil, it shrinks, and they're very pretty tight to the scaffolding, so that even if the wind comes, nothing happens and the foil is not bouncing around and so on.